Magnolia, headless for developers and authors. In the headless CMS approach, the features of a full CMS are split into different systems. A headless CMS has the tools for authoring content, but instead of generating a website itself, it delivers pure content via API to other systems which format and display it. This enables you to deliver content from a single content source to your website and all your current and future channels, like mobile apps, social, print, in-store displays, and VR. Headless brings the same advantages as a microservice architecture. Systems are easier to maintain. You can upgrade or replace one piece or the other, and it's easier to integrate your CMS with other systems in your network. Also, it's easier to find developers. They can ramp up immediately and they're more engaged because they can use their favorite tech. And the front end doesn't need to be rewritten for the CMS. It can simply be plugged into its API. The problem with Headless is that it's technology-driven at the expense of a good authoring experience. People think clean content can only be created in a sterile environment using forms, without context or real creative control. We don't, and our customers have proven us right. While form-based editing is ideal for simple, data-like content, it lacks flexibility and context for the authors. They don't have creative control or know how and where their content will be used. Magnolia puts authors back in the driver's seat. With our Stories app, authors get a flexible tool with modern block-based editing. They can add and rearrange any kind of block they need. For even more authoring power, the Pages app gives authors control over the experience. A what you see is what you get editor for choosing blocks and layouts, and even targeting personalized content. Not the headless you know? Yes, you can have a visual editing experience and still deliver clean content to your channels. The Pages app supports visual editing of single-page applications written in React, Angular, and Vue, so your developers can create headless front-ends, and your authoring team can edit and manage them with full control, preview, and context. The headless approach does make it easier to integrate systems, but it can be hard for people to understand and take advantage of this network of tools, and tedious to always have to jump between them. Magnolia's interoperable user experience, IUX, solves this problem. It displays information, links content, and embeds control from integrated systems into the Magnolia UI, right where the authors need them. Analytics, CRM forms, external DAM, AI-driven auto-tagging, and more. Pure headless CMS are attractive because you can get started so quickly thanks to their simplicity. But projects grow, and Magnolia has the depth to grow with them. Based on over 10 years of project experience, Magnolia has the features that enterprise projects need, from rich approval workflows to fine-grained permissions, single sign-on, and more. Open source and many integration points means you can customize when you need to, and you have the choice to host it with SaaS or on-premise. Make sure your CMS enhances your digital initiatives and empowers your authors rather than holding them back. Magnolia Headless covers the fundamental headless features, but it takes you further. You get 3 creative tools to empower your authors, IUX to make your integrations actually usable, and a product that grows with your needs. It's headless with no limits.